Hi, my name is John Carruthers. I've been working on guitars for the last 45 years. I've worked with such companies as Fender, Yamaha, Ibanez, Martin, and Gibson, and many others. If you'd like to learn more about working on your guitar, you can get my book, Teach Yourself Guitar Repair and Maintenance, on Alfred Publishing. Step number 2, bridge height adjustment. So we'll take the capo off, and then we'll take the wrench out because we won't be needing that anymore. And then we'll need to get our 6-inch scale and our saddle height adjustment Allen wrench. And then we'll take the bass back in playing position again. And on the lowest string, we normally want to set it for a low setting at about 4/32 of an inch. What we want to do is we want to take our 6-inch scale and we want to put it right where the neck joins the body, and we're resting it on the top of the fret, and then we look at the space between the fret and the bottom of the string. Normally that would be 4/32. In this case, you can see 3 marks, and that means that we only have 3/32. So now we need to turn the saddle screws in a clockwise direction to raise up the saddle so that we get to the specification that we want. Now it's important to adjust both saddle screws simultaneously so that the bridge saddle stays parallel to its adjoining saddle, or else it will change the string spacing, and that's not a desirable situation. Then we can go back to where we were and we can recheck our specification. Now you'll notice that the specification is at 4/32, which was the desirable adjustment. Then we would move to the next string, and we'd want to have just a little bit less, usually about, just a little over 3/32, like split the difference between 3 and 4. So that would be like ideal. Then we move to the next string, and we want that to be about the same, and then finally on the last one we want it to be at 3/32, and this one's a little bit high, so we need to lower it down just a little bit. So to lower it, you go counterclockwise. If you want to raise it, you go clockwise, and then we check our setting here and see what we got. And when we're right on 3/32, it's set perfectly. So now we've adjusted our truss rod, which was step number 1. We've set the action at the bridge, which was step number 2. And now we're going to have to move down and do the action height at the nut.